Looking to turn your love for watching viral videos into a money-making opportunity? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal the secrets to earning money while enjoying the most trending videos. Imagine getting paid to watch those funny cat videos or jaw-dropping stunts that go viral. With proven strategies and tips, I'll guide you through the process of monetizing your passion for viral videos. No more wasting hours scrolling endlessly through social media feeds. Now you can turn your leisure time into a profitable venture. Whether you're a student looking for some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent searching for flexible income opportunities, or simply someone who wants to make money doing what they love, this video is perfect for you. Join the ranks of successful individuals who have discovered the immense potential of earning money by watching viral videos. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to transform your entertainment time into a lucrative side hustle. Watch this video now and start earning today. Before we embark on this exciting journey, I highly recommend that you take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss any of our insightful videos where we consistently share novel and groundbreaking methods to help you achieve financial success in the online world. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Looking to turn your love for watching viral videos into a profitable venture? Look no further. On Lit.it app, you can earn points for watching and sharing videos or inviting people. You will never have to pay money. Just use your free time to watch viral videos and invite others. The idea is that Lit.it is a community of people that constantly generate content. The community and the content have value, and everybody has an interest in ensuring that there are more users and content on the platform, because the more users, the bigger the value of the points will be. So you have nothing to lose. You will never ever have to invest or lose any money, and you will only continue to earn points. And as you watch and share videos, you will continue to earn more points. Also, you can earn points for inviting your friends. You can share your link through social media platforms. You will get instant rewards for all your referrals who join. The points you earn can be eventually converted to tokens exchangeable on crypto exchanges. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get rewarded for your entertainment. Get ready to dive into the world of viral videos and start earning money today. In the end, please give this video a resounding thumbs up if you found it to be both enjoyable and informative at the same time. Additionally, I would like you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section, as well as share this video with others. And ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and that the notification bell is turned on. This will ensure that you are kept up to date with any future videos that are relevant to this one.